In order to download free wallpapers on POCO X7 Pro, all you need to do is go to the settings. In the settings, we need to scroll down and go to personalization. And then over here, scroll down one more time to find online wallpapers. By doing so, we will open the themes store with wallpapers selected immediately. Over here, we have some categories like new, categories joy, selected and trending. And you can also just scroll down in order to find some examples. Now, if you go to categories, of course, you have a selection of many different themes, let's say, of wallpapers. And let's say I'm gonna choose rain. And now over here, we can scroll through different wallpapers. And if you find a favorite one, then we can just select it, press apply in the top right corner. And now we can set it to the lock screen or just the home screen or for both. I'm gonna set it to both. We don't have to agree to wallpaper carousel. And that's about it. As you can see, we have a new wallpaper for free. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!